How to set up Tangem Wallet 2.0. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, let us understand what Tangem Wallet is. Tangem Wallet is a hardware wallet that secures your cryptocurrency private keys on a physical card. Unlike traditional wallets, Tangem cards use NFC to interact with your mobile device, providing a simple, secure, and offline way to store and access crypto. Now, to set up Tangem Wallet, firstly go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Tangem app. Download the app and open the app. Once you have opened your app, tap on the Scan Card option and hold your Tangem card close to an NFC reader on your smartphone. For iPhones, hold the card near the top back of your phone, and for Android, place it near the middle back or follow device-specific instructions. Now, the Tangem app will generate a secure private key and link it to your card. You may be prompted to set an access code for added security. Next, now that your first card is set up, it's time to add the second card, also known as the backup card. So in the app, tap on the option to add backup card. Then hold your first card close to your phone to confirm ownership, and when prompted, scan the second card by holding it near your phone's NFC reader. The app will duplicate the private key from the first card to the second card securely. Now, verify both the cards. Scan your primary Tangem card using the Tangem app and then scan the second card to ensure both are functioning properly. The app should confirm that the wallet is accessible from both cards. Finally, with your Tangem card set up, you can now receive crypto. Use the Tangem app to view and share your wallet address. Send crypto by confirming transactions securely by scanning your card, and monitor your balance, which is to view assets directly in the Tangem app. So, this was about Tangem Wallet 2.0 setup. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.